Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to go through how to set up your AdWords account. So how we're going to do this is we're going to start by going to Google. And what I did first is I typed in create AdWords account. There are a few different ways that you can go about getting to this. Just for simplicity's sake, we're going to go to Google and you're going to type in create AdWords account. And I click the top one here. You can go either one, both are through support Google. And what I'm going to do is actually let's go to sign in. I'm actually going to back out. Let's go to sign up, I believe. Yep. Okay, so if you go to sign up, so adwords.google.com, and we're at local services sign up, we're going to click continue. Cool. So now we're going to create our eligibility. Okay. Okay, so what you're going to do in Google is we're going to type in AdWords, ADWORDS, and you're going to go past the two ads that pop up, and you're going to go to AdWords-Google Ads. So we're going to click on that, and what Google's going to do is you're either going to have to click Start Now or sign in. Either one will work. At this point, if you went through step one and you set up your Google Analytics, you have a Google account, so you can just go to sign in. If you click Start Now, I believe it takes you to, it's thinking. It may end up taking me into my account. Okay, so if it takes you here, just in case, if you're doing this and it takes you here, click the skip guided setup part. If you don't do this, it sometimes will just take you directly to Google AdWords or to Google AdWords Express, and we don't want that. If you get there, go to skip and create campaign later. Then we're going to choose our United States, yep, time zone, yep. Click submit. Okay, and explore your account. So I am into this account. I'm going to go back though, and let's go into sign in. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to back out and just go to AdWords. Okay, so we're back on this page, and now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so it's going to tell me to choose an account. What it likely will do for you is it will look like a page like this. It says, hello and welcome to Google AdWords. Let's get started creating your account. And it'll ask you to put in your email, your country, the time zone, and the currency. I'm going to play this video real quick so you can see the next step, because I've tried for the last 15 minutes to get it to pop up on mine and it won't. Just have you watch this for a second.
Here's just some details that you got to fill in. So if we just save and continue, if everything is correct. Okay, and now AdWords is going to be taking us through to the new 2018 Google AdWords interface.
Okay. So if yours looks like that, just enter those parts of the details in the, so if it pops here, put in your address and your website. And then if you get to this page, put in your email, country, time zone, and currency. And then let's see. So I'm going to choose an account here. Now, when you get to the page and it says, do you want to create an ad? Let's see if I can get out of this actually. Okay, So if you end up on a page like this, and this is going to take you, so a lot of times it will take you immediately to AdWord Express. We don't want AdWord Express. It's totally fine if you use it, but in this case, I'd really like to show you how to use Google AdWords because it's so much more powerful. And if you get to a page like this, it's going to kind of bait you to go in through all this stuff. And what I want you to do is actually click this Experienced with Google Ads. When you click that, it's going to take the Express out of the URL and change this to Google AdWords. It's also going to bait you to create a new campaign. What I'm going to do is actually come over here and go skip and create a campaign later. And again, we're back to this page, right? So billing address, time zone, currency, click save and continue. Okay. So then now you'll have to put in your payment profile, right? So you'll have to put in your name, address, your profile, and then how you want to pay. So I'll click that. So just go through that to set up billing, and you're all done. And then you can explore your Google AdWords account. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the keyword planner, how to essentially navigate the background of Google AdWords, and then we'll walk through how to create your very first AdWord campaign.